Explain the construction of Pelton turbine. The Pelton turbine mainly consists of 5 components: penstock, spear and nozzle, runner and buckets, casing, and brake nozzle. Let's understand the function of each of them. Penstock is a large-sized pipe through which water is transferred from a high-level reservoir to the turbine. It is provided with control valves to control the flow of water to the turbine. Nozzle is attached as an opening to the penstock through which water exits. It helps to convert the hydraulic energy of water into a water jet. Spear is a type of needle which can move back and forth, thus regulating the flow of water. Runner is a circular disc which is mounted on a circular shaft. It rotates and runs generator via shaft to produce electricity. The runner carries a number of cup-shaped components called buckets. These buckets receive the water jet and thus help to rotate the runner. In the middle of a bucket, splitter is present, onto which, when water jet strikes, split into 2 halves at an angle of almost 160 degrees. Casing is the outermost shell that encloses runner and bucket. It prevents water from getting scattered and guides water to the tail race. It also acts as a safeguard against action. Brake nozzle is another type of nozzle present at the other side of the casing. It supplies water to strike at the back of buckets, thus stopping the runner from rotating when there is no water supply from penstock.